Good Friday, everyone. Our weather map for today shows a pretty quiet day across Tennessee and Kentucky. You will see just a slight area of shaded green there in Middle Tennessee for a risk for a shower. That is a 20% chance for a shower that I've even extended onto the Cumberland Plateau. That's just a 20% chance for a shower or a sprinkle. That's just something to be aware of in case you feel something drop on your head today at some point that feels like a raindrop. So you can say, well, meteorologist Mark said that might happen. Elsewhere across the country, we see a flash flood risk across portions of the coastal northeast, and then we see some more showers just kind of scattered about the country, but overall, pretty quiet day. And speaking of quiet, our 5-day forecast is pretty quiet. So I hope there's someone actually listening to my forecast this morning because there's really not much to talk about except for that 20% chance for a shower or sprinkle today. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. And then from Saturday on to Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80, lows around 55. Pretty comfortable forecast. Be lower humidity. But still, some of you I know would prefer temperatures a little chillier than 80, but it is what it is. So, but I promise if you just stick with me and keep following me, there will be some more active weather at some point. Just stay with me. On this day in 1964, Smithville records its greatest one-day rainfall total ever with 6.35 inches. Cookeville, 6.06 inches. I meant to look that up. I'm almost certain that had to do with a tropical system. 1927, an outbreak of tornadoes from Oklahoma to Indiana caused 81 deaths and $25 million in damage. A tornado, maybe two tornadoes, cut an 8-mile path across St. Louis, Missouri to Granite City, Illinois, killing 79 people. The damage path at times was 1.25 miles in width. The storm followed a similar path to tornadoes which struck in 1871, 1896, and 1959. It's always interesting when tornadoes want to follow those similar paths that we see even that happening even today. Well, you folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up for more weather information. And there is a little bit more in the blog. Keep reading along, meteorologistmark.com.